Good morning, clan. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Is it good morning?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we have to make lunches for Bryce and Sierra and Daddy because he's going on the field trip. So we're going old school, making some brown sack lunches so that they can just throw it away.
For Daddy.
Ready? Peanut butter jelly sandwiches, chips. All right, let's do this.
Good morning, clan. How you doing? It's a Thursday here in my world, and I am up and out of the house bright and early, heading to Bryce's school for a little field trip action. Now, I'm not 100% sure where we're going, what we're doing. Bryce figured out that it's something to do with a museum in Scottsdale. Alright, so we've made our way to our destination. It's the MIM. You guys know what MIM stands for?
No. Musical Instrument Museum.
There we go. Musical Instrument Museum here in Scottsdale, Arizona. That's one big gong. So it's kind of a guided audio tour. As you walk around, you have this headset, and all the different areas play music. So you can just walk up to each one, and it'll play music for you. And right now we're in the United States, Canada section, and so it's all broken down by music category. And then when we go to other continents, other countries, it'll get broken down more by them. This is Ireland. This is Ireland. A lot of harps, flutes, horns, drums. Belgium, Netherlands, street festivals. This sounds fun.
Whoa! That guy looks scary.
Chewbacca's family right here. it's a lot to think about. Every country has their own instruments, their own heritage, their own sound, and over the hundreds of years of fine-tuning and the history, the stories behind some of these instruments, how they were created. It's just amazing. Me and the kids are totally going to come back here one time when we have more time to actually like listen to all the different countries and all the different stories, because we're kind of on a time limit right now with this field trip. Now go up, and then this is the volume. And this is the volume.
That's the
Two
volume.
hands. One hand over here, one hand over here.
Can you hear this?
It's too loud. That's a very quiet instrument. Hear it? Yeah, just kind of pull harder. So the bigger strings make the lower noise. Hear it? And this is really high. You hear it? Oh, we got the Future Rock Band right here. Ukulele 2020. Bryce, there's a taiko. You love it? There you go, you know how to do it. The gong, I know. Well, there you go, guys. Good times at the MIM. I'll have a link down in the description below for more information. I'm sure it's like mim.com, or maybe it's the full name, I don't know. But definitely have to come back with Tiffany and Sierra one of these days where we have more time to explore all the different countries, because there's like a couple of rooms we didn't even go into. There's one for artists, like there's actually specific artists and the music and the instruments they use. We skipped that, and Bryce is all excited. He's all into his stuff, so we'll definitely have to come back. Well, guys, we have made our way out the door and on the road, heading up north to Payson, Arizona. As I said previously, we have rented a cabin for the weekend with 4 other families. 4 other families. You'll recognize them all. They're friends of ours. They've been doing this for a couple of years now, and we've always been busy. We either forget about it, we don't commit to it soon enough, or we just flat out have something else going on, and we've yet to join them. So we're very excited to join them this year. There's 5 families all bunking up in one giant cabin, kind of similar to what we do in the summertime with Tiffany's family in our beach houses. So looking forward to something similar but different, if you know what I mean.
that us right there? Yep. I'm taking off my seatbelt. Whoa, so pretty.
Wow, look at the size of that place. Tetherball. It's a giant grass area.
Oh, yeah, there's Aubrey.
Hey, where's the valet? Oh, hold on, I'm coming. Oh, Aubrey, here, you got the keys, right? I give you the keys, you park it?
Okay, we made it up here. We're at the grocery store. Let's begin to fill these carts. We have 5 families to feed for the weekend. We have a start. We made up the produce aisle so far. It's all like avocados? Yes, love them. Bryce will eat 3 to himself. Okay, we're about halfway through the store. Here's what our carts are looking like so far. Ooh. We're getting there. Is it heavy, Shell?
Yes.
All right, we're just about done here. We have 3 carts full now. Oop. Lots of beer. Oops. Oh, there's all the sweets. Breakfast sweets, dessert sweets. Oh, there's some lunch meat. That's something healthy, right? We did get some healthy stuff. It's at the bottom, though.
Oh yeah, guys, rocking the Batman onesie. Remember this from last year? Got the cape rocking. Woo! So I will give you guys a tour of this giant cabin tomorrow. Today's video was awesome and long from the museum, so I'm gonna just kind of end the vlog here. Save all the cabin stuff, all the cool, fun stuff that we have planned for tomorrow. We're all rocking onesies, matching onesies. I brought this from last year. We got all new onesies. You guys have already seen Bryce's and Mason's. But anyways, everyone's rocking onesies this weekend, so stay tuned, lots of fun. Be sure to follow me on Twitter. I'll be tweeting out photos and maybe some Periscope live chats and whatnot over on Twitter. If you don't have a Twitter account, download our Clintus.tv app. Just go to your app store, whatever app you have, whatever, your Android, iPhone, just search for Clintus.tv. We have an app, download it. Our videos are in there, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that. One-stop shop. Know what we're doing at all times. But I'll give you guys a tour of this place. It's huge. And then I'll give you a tour of the grounds around us. This place has everything. It's awesome. It's like it's like the beach houses that we normally go to in the summertime, but here up in the woods for the winter. It's awesome. So stay tuned, check back tomorrow for that, and vlog on.